Participating in an ICO. One of the most popular use cases for Ethereum is issuing your own token and launching an ICO. Tokens created on Ethereum are called ERC-20 tokens. These tokens, as well as their ICOs, are based on Ethereum's smart contracts. As mentioned before, the amount of gas used for a transaction depends on the amount of code in the contract. While regular ETH transactions use a constant 21,000 gas, token transactions can range anywhere from 50,000 to 200,000 or even more gas. ICOs are usually time-bound, meaning that there's a certain time frame when these tokens can be purchased. And since these token transactions tend to clog up the Ethereum network, it is often suggested to use a higher gas price. All of the information about the gas limit and gas price is usually provided by the ICO creator when announcing the launch of the ICO. If you set your gas limit too low when purchasing ICO tokens, this can result in an out-of-gas error, and you'll lose the transaction fee. Or if you don't have a high enough gas price, your transaction could take a long time before getting confirmed.